What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the car is done. So what I didn't show on camera, I accidentally forgot to record, was I set the car up in true twin conversion. Basically, both turbos are both running at the same time all the time, instead of the first turbo being fed and then the second turbo. So it's an old school method a lot of people did, so that you'd have more linear power band rather than the turbo dip. The VSV valve that was operating one of the gates was not engaging with my Haltech. So the car is running perfect now. So here it is, it's all done. So HKS intake filter, it's a little bit old, but it works. The piping, I try to polish it a little bit, but you can see it's pretty nasty and grimy still. So I really do want to take these off later and polish them all the way up. Got some nice clamps, 76 mil. It's not what came with the kit. I just wanted it to be pretty much bulletproof. Ended up having to use a OEM coupler right here because I wanted that length and I wanted some more movement than what came with the freed kit. And then this charge piping, you can see the IAT wired up behind here. And then same with these clamps, change that up. Look at that beautiful freed weld. This just looks nice. And yeah, I mean, this is BPU. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. I freaking love this setup on the street. So, especially with this nice front mount. I polished it as much as I could. I mean, I'm not really this good at it. You can still see my hand and whatnot. So I'm gonna do my best to take it off and polish it even more in the future. And for now, I just want to enjoy the car though. Guys, so I just went on that nice cruise and I'm loving this setup. So I highly recommend this ECU and the front mount and the tile blow-off valve, HKS exhaust, pretty much all the bolt-ons I got. The car drives amazing. It's such a linear power band. Now I'm just going over some logs and I'm gonna make some adjustments on the tune. And so I hope you guys enjoy that flame. Let me know if you want any exhaust clips or if you want to see some more two-step, etc. Thanks for watching.